Hi, I'm Em, this is Happy Crafting. I'm on day 305 of working from home and I'm only just now realising that I need to change everything that I own. I love having flowers around my flat, but vases are really expensive or cheap and kind of boring. But I have found a really fun way to transform this while staying on budget. First, we're just going to start by adding a thin layer of glue. Most glue should work. I'm using Mod Podge. I just wanted something that dried clear, basically. Just want to create a nice thin layer of glue. This is just to give it a bit of texture, so the paint can hold onto the glass a bit better. Now it's time for the acrylic. I've watered my acrylics down a little bit just to make them a bit more pourable. Got this really good pink colour going on. Oh, yeah, look at that gloop shot. I really like these colours together. So I'm just swirling it around just to make sure everything gets covered. It also kind of creates this like nice bit of marbling. Now it's time to pour out the excess. And please remember to use a tray. Bloop. There we go. Yeah, just shake all that out and leave it to dry. I think this worked really well. These colours blend so nicely. It's great. But any random combination could work. And here it is as a bedside table. That turned out so well. Very fun, very messy, but you do get a really cool pattern. Now, I love cushions, a very normal, reasonable, I definitely don't have a problem amount. What I do have a problem with is I'm just too cheap to buy fancy cushions. So I thought I'd make my own. But first, we're going to need to make a stencil. To do this, we're going to start with some freezer paper. Make sure it's shiny side down. Now for our conveniently pre-cut template. Just going to sit that on there while I cut this out. Now it's time to put this on the cushion cover. Make sure to put some card inside so the glue doesn't seep all the way through. I'm just going to iron it in place. I love how well freezer paper stays put. Time for the transfer gel. Now for the gold foil, the fanciest of all the foils. And aggressively roller over it. Aggressive rollering. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if it, yeah. Oh, yeah, I think it worked. It's so shiny and majestic. So, now that I've stuffed it, my brand new fancy stag cushion is ready to add to my collection. I really like this process. It works so well and you can do it for like tons of different designs. Now, like many of you, I haven't really been looking in the mirror much lately because, you know, living in my pyjamas and not leaving the house. But when I do look in the mirror, I want it to be a bit more fun. So we're going to take this mirror and paint some blossom on it. You can see the secrets of my setup. Hello! To keep this bit clear and like actually usable as a mirror, I'm going to use some masking fluid. It's pretty cool. It's used for watercolours. It's basically like a liquid latex. I'm just going to sponge this on here. Dab, dab, dab. Now, through the magic of editing, this is now dry. So we're going to start painting and we're going to start with this really nice pinky colour and build up the beginnings of our blossom. And it's time for the swish of the bark. This bit's really fun. Add some branch details. This is immensely calming. I feel like I'm channeling my inner Bob Ross. But, you know, just going to build up these colours. A few little highlights here and there. And now for the fun bit. Ooh, sapili. there you go. Our fancy mirror. I think the blossoms come out really well. And there we have it, some fully upgraded homeware. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Craft Factory, comment below if you've got anything you really want to see us make. But till next time, happy crafting!